So let's start. The project is Hello World. Let's see the project structure. So, we have a main activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the UI of main activity. Let's see the UI first. So, this is the UI. It contains a text view, with the text Hello World. Let's see the code. We have the constraint layout as the root layout. Then we have a text view, with text Hello World, and the text size is 48 dp. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. We have a main activity which extends app_compat activity. Then we have the onCreate method, which inflates the activity_main.xml layout. Let's run the project now. Here we go, we have a text view with Hello World text in it. That's it. That's the Hello World program in Java Android. Thanks for watching.